My face looks so glossy here, like, okay. So, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oops. So yes, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome to my channel. I've been gone for a bit, been very busy, been all over the place, good things and bad things, but we won't think about the bad things because there's a lot of good things. So I decided to make a video today because I've been waiting for this package for a while now, 2 days from when I ordered it. I got it off of Amazon, and it all started because I went to the mall with my parents and I saw this cute little thing in one of the stores and I really wanted to buy it, but it was like $12. If you get paid bi-weekly, you understand. Like, I was on the second week, so I was on a really tight budget, so I had to pick whether I wanted to buy this or whether I wanted money for food if I didn't cook. So I went ahead and held on, and I was so sad because I really wanted it. And also the other part was that I felt like it was too small. I was like, I know I can find a better one. So when I got home, I looked at Amazon, my second favorite store. Like my dad says, Amazon makes a lot of money with you. And I sure do, because I buy everything off of Amazon, especially with that 2-day delivery. You can't beat that. But yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and show you what it is that I bought. Here's the box. Awesomeness. It is a freaking letterboard. Yes, guys, a letterboard. I've been wanting one so bad, and I finally got it. And the good thing is that this one's bigger. It comes in such a cute box, and it's a 10 by 10. So it's not like small. The one I saw in the mall was like this big, literally, and only had some letters. This one has a bunch of goodies. So let's open this baby. I haven't opened it, by the way. Like, I promise. I took it out of the box, and this is the first time I'm looking at it. I love the color because it's also a greenish color, and I love greens. So, oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. It has a little bag. It's like a canvas bag. I like it. Instructions. So we gotta undo and then cut excess plastic. Cute little card. A cute little sticker, guys. Look how cute. And oh my gosh. Let me put this down because I gotta get it out. It has this cute container for all your letters. It's a little Hippo. And oh, it has like the months. Oh, April. Relax. Oh, little poppers. Oh, I like this. Okay, so this is the board itself. It's pretty big. I like that it has this, so you can put it like this, and it has for the wall as well. It says inspiration awaits. This box is just so nice. So let me put the box down. Let's see this. So today's June, and here's June. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. So here's the June. Can I focus this? I got it. It's June. Figure June. Ah, no! I'm all over the place. Putting it in is not easy. She said. Okay, so June is there. It's so cute. Holy moly! Oh snap! Hold on. There is both big and small. And there's black and white as well, so you have two colors. There's big letters. There's an angry face. Look. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. Freaking heart as well. Look at that. By the way, don't look at my cuticles. They're hideous. I'm giving my nails a break, and it's the hardest thing I've had to do because these nails are so bad. I'm gonna put 11. Now, the only thing is, these little thingamabobs are all over the place. Ah, there's a flower! A flower. I'm putting that on. Oh, wait, here's one. One more. Need another one. I need another one. Oh, found it. I'm so happy. Wait, is this a one? No, I only found one. I don't know what the hell I found. But I found one. Holy! Okay, that's a one. I need another one. Where is the music symbol? Look at that. It's all cute. So, while I look for this one, how have you guys been? How is life treating you? Any cool things out there, extraordinary things? Did you see the life? Did you get your master's? And I laugh because that makes me nervous. I have gone to school and I plan to go back. I can't find the other one. I'm missing my other one. Well, good thing I'm not missing my boyfriend. Oh wait, that's all I had to do. All I had to do was talk like I was talking about like my boyfriend because I found the one. Focus, camera. Found it. Oh. No problem. Can you guys tell me what's wrong? Can you tell me what's wrong? Right there. One. That's right now the other. Ooh, can anyone tell me what this is? Can anyone tell me what this is? This is I had the honor and the privilege to go and meet again. So where have you been? And what have you been? And places you've visited? I feel like this is gonna turn into like a little slight ASMR video because this is the sound of Kimber trying to find your other one. That's just the same size as her other one. So right now I found a smiley face. Yes, it kind of looks like this. But yes, back to my regular talk. Should I do an ASMR video? Maybe a mukbang / ASMR. Let me know. Comment down below. So I seriously cannot find this one. Like, I'm gonna have to pause you guys and find it. Wait, what's this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I found it. I found it. I found it, guys. And I have to take some time and really empty this out and organize everything by numbers and order. You can hear little footsteps right now. That's the little doggy in my house trying to be nosy. Like, what are you doing there, Mom? Where's my dad? screaming at the computer, at that machine, at that thing. Out of nowhere. That's probably what my dog thinks, what my boyfriend's playing on his computer. He's playing like freaking Apex or Overwatch or Counter-Strike, or we played Destiny for a while. So tomorrow's Tuesday, so we're gonna put Tuesday. We're just gonna go through the plastics. There you go. This is how Tuesday looks. See, so you know, if you like the way it looks and you've been wanting one, this is pretty affordable with all the little extras that it brings, like the different colors. Like it has black and white, has big letters, small letters, medium letters, the dates, the days, the months, the years. Ow! That's how it's looking. So I'm gonna keep it like this with the day and the date, and then a cute little inspirational message. And it's gonna go right there on my bookshelf. I have another shelf here, but that one's like completely taken with everything from Halo to Overwatch and Mike Wazowski and Toad, my certificates, some books, that's Maru, Nightmare Before Christmas, Twilight books. Up there I have Stranger Things pops, and on top I have Overwatch pops. So yeah, I had to own this one. I really love it. I'm gonna put it like the photo frame style. I don't know, I'll figure out in a bit what to put. I am back after about like 10 minutes. And I wrote it. Tuesday, June 11th. And the quote is, don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Very important, guys. You know, when we decide to get going and we are in the next day, we should start it as a new page right after the day. I love things like this. I love candles. I love little trinkets and whatnot that I can just myself enjoy and like either come up with a quote or look up a nice quote. And things like this will motivate you, and we need a lot of that. We need a lot of positivity and a lot of... So yes, guys, I will be leaving the link down below of this in case you want to check it out. So to wrap it up, this is now part of a few of my favorite things. And let me know if you like it, if you liked my video, if you missed me, if you didn't. It's okay. And if you want to see anything else, also, I might be coming back with a mukbang or mukbangs. And I might make them a little bit of an ASMR, see if you guys like that. So how about you go and show me some love with a like button, or I should say thumbs up button, and go ahead and hit that little subscribe button while you're at it if you're not already, and also that little bell so you don't miss my goofiness, I suppose. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I've missed doing this, and I hope you guys miss me too. I promise next time I will have better nails, better looking nails. I mean, at least they're all nice and long and natural. Siri, I mean, I watch, not now. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Peace.